2 days ago, I decided to stop tutorials. I'm not going to say tutorials have not helped me in order to find myself. They have done it, but there is a different feeling when you learn things on your own, when you try to build on your own. Someone who is a software engineer have told me several times that I should build. If I want to learn any programming language, I have to make sure I build. It's not bad to learn the basics, but by building, you will understand how things work. And this is what I was doing 2 days ago. I quit the tutorials. I was learning arrays. I perfectly understand every single thing that they were saying, but it's as if you are going to lectures. You see, when you have to go to class, you have to study this, and then you have to try to remember it as if you are going to write an exam. So I have some basic knowledge of JavaScript right now, and then if I want to know something, I just Google it, find examples, explanation. Also, I find, let's say, pages, websites where I can learn more about those things, those subjects. I read about them, and then later, with what I want to build, based on what I want to build, I implement those things in my code. There is a difference when you learn how to code on your own by building and when someone else is teaching you. Because if you have to build a project on your own without the help of anybody, you are going to suffer. It's going to be very difficult, but it's going to help you a lot. This is the difference between you building your own project and someone else teaching you how to build a project. You are going to figure out how every single component works on your own. Why are we using this code here? Why are we writing this function here? Why do we have to apply this logic here? You are going to learn everything on your own, and it's going to be like you are going to be very happy at the end of everything. Maybe I can go back to revise one or two things, yes, but following tutorials because I want to learn how to code by watching tutorials, I won't do that again. Every single thing I want to learn now, I will make sure I put it into practice. If it's going to be difficult, I know I will achieve it. If you want to learn how to code or you want to learn anything, just try to practice. Make sure you build as many projects as possible. Try to build. Think about it. A big project, for you to be able to build a big project, you need to split it into pieces, right? You need to put it into pieces, right? For you to be able to build here, to build each part. I hope you understand. Now, it's the same thing as when you build a small project. Start building small projects, and then later when you find a big project that you want to build, it's not going to be difficult for you. That is why people say, I can't build this, I can't build that, I can't build that, because they have not started from scratch. Every single project, even if it's building a button, and when you click that button, something appears, that is a very important project, because that logic, you can apply that logic somewhere else. That is why I'm trying to make this clear, and I'm trying to make this real. Because we are not here to post videos and tell people, oh, I have learned arrays, and then arrays are very important, are very this. Meanwhile, I can't write an array without looking at a video. You understand? I must understand every single thing by myself from now on. I'm going to Google. I Google what I want to learn. I look at examples of how they have applied the logic, and I implement it in my project. Subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos, because one day I will become a very successful software engineer. Successful. I know I have that feeling inside.